Good morning, students. I am Rajesh Jain, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science and Engineering. Today we will discuss about the topic first order predicate logic, which is belong to the artificial intelligence and is the most important topic. So we can start with the definition of FOL. Definition: first order logic is also known as predicate logic or first order predicate logic. It is a logic is a powerful language that develop information about the object in a more easy way and can also express the relation between the objects. First order logic does not only assume that the words contain fact like proposition logic, but also assume the following things in the world, that is objects, relations and functions. As a natural language, first order logic has two main parts: syntax and semantics. Next, the basic element of the first order logic, that is syntax. There are 7 types of syntax, that is constant, variables, predicates, functions, connectives, equality, quantifiers. The quantifier is the most important part of this first order logic, and connectives is also the most important part, that is belongs to the propositional logic. Now we'll discuss about the atomic sentence. Atomic sentences are the most basic sentences of first order logic. These sentences are formed from a predicate symbol followed by a parenthesis with a sequence of terms. We can also represent by atomic sentences as predicate in parenthesis term 1, comma term 2 to term n. For example, Ravi and Ajay are brothers. We can write as brothers, that is predicate, that is a relationship between the Ajay and Ravi. So we can write brothers in bracket Ravi, comma Ajay. Next is complex sentences. The complex sentences are made by combining atomic sentences using connectives. If we use connectives with atomic sentence, they're called complex sentences. First order logic statement can be divided into two parts, that is subject and predicate. Subject is the main part and predicate is defined by the relationship in between atoms together, two atoms together in a statement. Example: x is an integer, where x is subject, is an integer is a predicate. Next topic is quantifiers in first order logic. The quantifiers, there are two types of quantifiers, that is universal quantifier and existential quantifiers. Universal quantifiers, which specify that the statement within its range is true for everything or every instance of a particular thing. It is represented by an inverted A, and main thing is universal quantifier use implications. If x is a variable, then we can write for all x, for each x, for every x. For example, all men drink coffee. That means x1 is drink coffee, x2 drink coffee, x3 drink coffee, and xn drink coffee. So we can write as universal quantifier all of x, where x is main, implies drink, x comma coffee. X is a main drinks coffee. We can read as there are all x, where x is a main who drink coffee. Next is existential quantifier. Existential quantifier, which express that the statement within its scope is true for at least one instance or something. One instance or something. It denotes by inverted E. The main thing is we always use and conjunction symbol of in existential quantifier. If x is a variable, and then existential quantifier will be inverted x, they and it will be read as there exists x for some x for at least one x. For example, some boys are intelligent. Some boys, that means number of boys are present in the room, but only some boys are intelligent. So we can write inverted E x such that boy represent x and intelligent. We can read as boys are some x, where x is a boy who is intelligent. I think you can understand these two quantifiers. 2 points to be remembered. First is the main connectives of universal quantifier, that is implication. The main connective for existential quantifier, that is and. There are some examples we can solve that. All birds fly. The birds, all birds fly. Fly birds is a predicate. So we can write all of x where x belongs to bird, fly of x. There are some more examples. Second is every main respects his parent. Respects is a relationship between main and parents. So we can write in a predicate form respect in parenthesis x comma y where x is the main and y is a parent. So we can write as all of x main x implies respect x comma parent x belongs to main. There are some more examples. Some boys play cricket. All kings are persons. Wife Marcus was a main. And next is second example is the important example. We will discuss it. People only try to assassinate rulers they are not loyal to. Here people and rulers both are subjects. So we can write all of x, all of y, where x is people and y is ruler. So all of x comma all of y belongs to people x and ruler y. Both are people try to assassinate. So and try assassinate x comma y. X is people, y is ruler. Implies not loyal to. Loyal to x comma y, not. X is people, Y is rulers. Some more examples are there. You can read it, write it, and understand them. Thank you. Thank you, all of you.